CAINA campaign, we want to investigate how much nitrogen-containing compounds contribute to the cloud condensation nuclei. These are nuclei where cloud droplets form, and this can adjust the properties of the clouds and have a cooling effect on climate. And in the Netherlands, because we have so much nitrogen, nitrogen-containing compounds are also the main part of these aerosols. And this is one of the few regions in the world where it is already like this. But basically, many more regions on the globe actually go to this regime where nitrogen-containing compounds are dominant for aerosol particles and have potentially an influence on cloud formation. And that's why we specifically want to do this campaign here and see how this aerosol-cloud interaction is influenced by nitrogen-containing compounds. The long-term infrastructure that we have in Ruisdael is actually crucial to starting a campaign like that. Even some of the research questions that we want to answer with the campaign were inspired by looking at the long-term data, finding things that we could not explain, or finding things that are really interested that needed more measurements to really shed light on it. And such, actually, the idea of the campaign was born. And then once you conduct the campaign, you also can measure very interesting things and very special cases, but it's very important to know if that is actually representative. How often does it occur? What is sort of a typical situation? Is that an anecdote, or is it something of scientific value for the region? And this kind of information we get from these long-term measurements. So it's of crucial importance to interpret the data of the campaign and put them into context.